Meet John. Around 1 year ago, he was desperately in need of a breath of fresh air as his place was stuffy and hot. In his quest for a better environment, John stumbled upon the renowned online store, Bright Air. Right away, he went through www.brightair.co.uk to explore their product ranges. With their wide range of offerings, one particular item caught his eye, the DeLonghi Pinguino air conditioner unit. Not only did it boast of being energy efficient, belonging to Class A++, but it also guaranteed significant savings on his energy bills. This air conditioner can handle the hottest offices with power-hungry computer equipment year-round. DeLonghi's groundbreaking portable air conditioners brought factory-grade cooling to John's apartment. At full blast, it was still one of the quietest portable air conditioners available at only 53 decibels. Finally, John happily clicked "Add to Cart," knowing he had found the perfect indoor climate solution. If you are looking for something similar, visit Bright Air and discover their vast collection of high-quality products.